Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in, you guys. Today we will be making Haitian pikliz. The main ingredient for pikliz, of course, is cabbage, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, white onion, lime and a lemon, and of course hot scotch bonnet peppers. You'll also need some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, goya, aka adobo, and if you don't want to use that, you're welcome to use a maggi cube. Let's get the party started. All my vegetables are already washed and I chopped them up. When making pikliz, you have to make sure that they are super fine because each ingredient have its own flavor and some of them are potent and you don't want any flavor to overpower the next. And for the amount of the pikliz that I'm making, I've only used half of the red and green bell pepper and half of the onion. I'm just adding each ingredient into a big bowl and mixing them up super nicely. In the Haitian community, we eat pikliz with almost everything. We will eat it with fried plantains, griot, fish, baked chicken, fried chicken, whatever you could think of. Pikliz is the perfect topping. Now for the acidic part of the show, you need 1 cup of white vinegar. Add a splash of the garlic and onion powder as well as the adobo, but you're welcome to use a maggi cube if you prefer. I've used half of the lime and half of the lemon. Add some salt and whisk it up. Give it a quick taste. And everything tastes perfect, but I need to wake up the flavor a little bit, so I am going to add a little of the oxa. If you've made it this far and haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Once you've poured all that goodness, that tasty delight of flavors in that bowl, go ahead and mix it all up. Pikliz is just so pretty to look at. Look at all those beautiful colors. To preserve freshness, you have to put the pikliz in a mason jar. And when it comes to pikliz, you have to place it in the fridge for 3 to 5 days for you to get the maximum flavors from it. And the older the pikliz, the better it is because all the flavors and the goodness had already settled. So it's just delicious after 3 to 5 days. Once again, when you make the pikliz, they are not ready to eat the same day. You must let it sit in the fridge for 3 to 5 days before serving. Enjoy! And this is Haitian pikliz. If you love spicy food, this is the perfect topping for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.